Lesson 3. Adjectives. Let's warm up initiative and self-direction. Choose the correct options to complete the story. Rahul, Mohan and Sonia were eager looking forward to this Monday. They had planned to get together and watch a match. What was expected on incredibly final of the Cricket World Cup? The match was between India and Australia. Being patriots, they hoped India would win but didn't have any less admirable for the acumen of the Australian players. India had an enviable team. The Australians, however, were the overwhelming favourites. Whatever be the result, their preparation for the match was extensive and plans for the celebrate of India's win even more spirited. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. The red sun is setting in the pale purple sky. 3 birds are flying in the sky. The old man is on the way back with his naughty grandchild. What do you observe in the above sentences? Let's learn conceptual learning. An adjective is a word used to describe a person, animal, place, or thing. The colored words in the above sentences describe the nouns following them. 1. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Examples: A. Maya has curly hair. Maya, noun. B. She is intelligent. She, pronoun. 2. An adjective is used either before a noun or after a verb following the noun. Examples: An extraordinary student was awarded a prize. B. The student is extraordinary. In the first sentence, extraordinary is added to the noun student as an attributive adjective, so extraordinary is an attributive adjective. It is placed before the noun. In the second sentence, adjective extraordinary is used after the verb. So, it is a predicative adjective here. 3. Most adjectives are used in both positions, attributive and predicative. However, there are a few adjectives which are attributive only. Examples: an inner room, the late president, outer area, a medical school, etc. 4. Similarly, a few adjectives take only predicative positions. Examples: A. She is afraid of ghosts. B. The girl was lazy. Other adjectives that belong to this group are asleep, alike, afraid, alone, hours, awake, content, exempt, ill, unable, etc. Kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality. They describe the kind or quality of a noun such as shape, size, and color. So, these are also called descriptive adjectives. They answer the question, of what kind? Examples: A. She is a busy manager. B. Delhi is a big city. Adjectives of quantity. They show the quantity of the nouns. They are used with uncountable nouns. They answer the question, how much? Examples of adjective of quantity are some, little, much, enough, any, sufficient, whole, great, etc. Example: Sohail showed much patience. Adjectives of number or numeral adjectives. They show how many persons or things are meant, or in what order a person or thing stands. They are used before countable nouns. They answer the question, how many? There are 4 types of numeral adjectives. Cardinal numbers, exact number of noun. Examples: 3 books, 2 pens. Ordinal numbers refer the order of noun. Examples: first boy, 10th anniversary. Indefinite numeral adjectives do not show an exact number. Example: many books. Definite numeral adjectives refer number of persons, animals, or things. Example, each book. Demonstrative adjectives. They indicate the noun and pronoun used after them. They answer the question, which one? Only demonstrative adjectives have changed forms to show nearness and distance of objects. These show nearness in position of singular plural objects nouns. Those show distant position of singular plural objects nouns. Examples, A. This dog is mine, said the man. B. Those are the fresh roses. Grammar Connect. We use the demonstrative adjective to show the position and to specify the noun which follows it. Possessive adjectives. They show the ownership or belongingness to a person, place, or thing. They answer the question, whose, my, our, your, his, her, its. They are used before noun. Examples, A. My farm is at the banks of Yamuna. B. A new teacher is very impressive. Interrogative adjectives. They are used to ask questions. We get other types of adjectives in an answer to the interrogative adjectives whose, what, which, how many, how much, etc. Examples, A. Which book is yours? This demonstrative. B. How many apples did he buy? 2/5 numeral. C. Whose food is lying on the table? His Raju's possessive. D. How much salt do you want? A spoonful of quantitative. Emphasizing adjectives. On and very are adjectives. These adjectives are used as emphasizing adjectives. Examples, A. That is the very thing my father wants. B. I heard her saying with my own ears. Proper adjectives. They are formed from proper nouns. They are also used to define the source of origin. Example, Chinese phones are selling like hot cakes in Bharat. China, Chinese. Order of adjectives. We often use more than one adjective to describe a noun. They must be used in the proper order. Example, she had a nice red hand purse. Exclamatory adjective. The exclamatory adjectives are used to express exclamation. Examples, A. What a fool I am. B. What an exceptional idea. Adjectives and determiners. Besides the adjectives of quality, emphasis and exclamation, the adjectives are also called determiners. Because they also point at the noun or fix the position of a noun in a sentence rather than describing or showing their kind. They are as follows. Adjectives of quantity. Quantitative determiners, some milk, all tea. Adjectives of number. Numerical determiners, two girls, a few men. Distributive adjectives. Distributive determiners, each girl, every person. Demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative determiners, this boy, those pens. Interrogative adjectives. Interrogative determiners, whose pen, how many. Possessive adjectives. Possessive determiners, her bat, your TV, my hat. Articles are also classified under determiners. Degree of adjectives. Read the following sentences. A. I am a tall boy. B. I am taller than you. C. I am the tallest boy in my class. The colored words in above sentences show degree of adjectives. We use adjectives to describe the quality of something, someone or some place. Examples, A. Raju painted a beautiful picture. B. Joy painted more beautiful picture. See, Ria painted the most beautiful picture. Here beautiful is said to be in positive degree, more beautiful is in the comparative degree, and most beautiful is said to be in the superlative degree. There are 3 degrees of adjectives. 1. The positive degree denotes a quality. 2. The comparative degree shows the higher degree of a quality. 3. The superlative degree shows the highest degree of a quality. The comparative degree is formed by adding er to the positive form, and the superlative is formed by adding est to the positive form. But adjectives with more than one syllable takes more and most to show comparative degree and superlative degree respectively. Adjectives with one syllable add er and est, positive, comparative, superlative. Bold, bolder, boldest. Young, younger, youngest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Small, smaller, smallest. Adjectives ending in e add r and sent, positive, comparative, superlative. White, whiter, whitest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Adjectives ending in y preceded by a consonant, drop y and add ir and est, positive, comparative, superlative. Happy, happier, happiest. If the final y is preceded by a vowel, the y is not changed into I, positive, comparative, superlative. Gay, gare, gayest. Doubling of the final consonant occurs if the adjective ends with a short vowel and a consonant follows it. Positive, comparative, superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Red, redder, reddest. Comparison is also expressed by the adverbs more and most. Positive, comparative, superlative. Precious, more precious, most precious. Probable, more probable, most probable. Valuable, more valuable, most valuable. Both methods adding er and est or adding move and most are used with 2-syllable adjectives. 2-syllable adjectives ending in y, ow, lay and er usually add er and est. Positive, comparative, superlative. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Funny, funnier, funniest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. 2-syllable adjectives ending in full, ing, I've, less, os, and re usually take more and most. Positive, comparative, superlative. Jealous, more jealous, most jealous. Some 2-syllable adjectives may take either type of comparison, but the construction with more and most is preferred. Positive, comparative, superlative. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. There are a few adjectives which take irregular comparatives and superlatives. Positive, comparative, superlative. Good, well, better, best. Little, less, lesser, least. Old, elder, older, eldest, oldest.